the 5 most magnificent birds in the world. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be exploring the world of birds and showcasing the 5 most magnificent species that grace our planet. So, let's dive right in. The resplendent quetzal. Our first contender is a true symbol of beauty, the resplendent quetzal. Found in the cloud forests of Central America, this bird is renowned for its vibrant emerald plumage and long, flowing tail feathers. Join us as we explore the fascinating life and habitat of the resplendent quetzal. The Victoria-crowned pigeon. Next on our list is a bird with royal elegance, the Victoria-crowned pigeon. With its regal blue feathers, intricate crest, and graceful demeanor, this pigeon truly stands out from the crowd. We'll delve into its unique features and reveal why it has earned its place among the most magnificent birds in the world. The Atlantic Puffin. Prepare to be charmed by the Atlantic Puffin, a small seabird that boasts an irresistible appearance. Its colorful beak, contrasting plumage, and comical movements make it a fan favorite. Join us as we journey to the remote coastal cliffs where these adorable creatures gather in large colonies. The Indian Peafowl. No list of magnificent birds would be complete without the Indian Peafowl, known for its stunning iridescent feathers and extravagant courtship display. In this segment, we'll unveil the secrets behind the peacock's elaborate tail feathers and take a closer look at its mesmerizing dance. The Andean Condor. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Andean Condor, an impressive bird with the largest wingspan of any land bird. This powerful creature, often associated with the heights of the Andes Mountains, is a true embodiment of strength and grace. Join us as we soar through the sky alongside this majestic bird. And there you have it, folks, the 5 most magnificent birds in the world. We hope you enjoyed this journey through their incredible beauty and learned something new along the way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and share it with fellow bird enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of nature.